Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Pixel Photos app and picking the image you want. This immediately focuses your work. Tap Edit, then choose Tools to surface background controls. Make sure to duplicate the photo first so you keep an untouched original. This avoids accidental loss. Once the copy is ready, locate the Remove Background or Magic Eraser option and tap it. You're now in the editing workspace and ready to isolate your subject for the next steps. Once in the tool, use Magic Eraser to eliminate large swaths of background quickly, because automated selection speeds the process. Then switch to the brush or eraser tool to refine around hair, glasses, and fine details. Work slowly and zoom in for accuracy. As you adjust, toggle edge smoothing or feathering to blend transitions naturally. This prevents jagged cutouts. Make sure to review the full silhouette, undo any overreach, and reapply small strokes until the subject looks clean and distinct. To finish, decide whether to place your subject on a new background or export as a transparent PNG. Choose Export and set original resolution for best quality. Once saved, inspect the image at 100% to catch stray pixels or haloing. If you find artifacts, reopen the duplicate and use a smaller brush with careful strokes, because precision fixes residual bits effectively. If problems persist, undo to an earlier step or redo selection slowly. That single careful pass usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.